Welcome back, friend. Welcome back to this tutorial, Moodle for Developer series. In this tutorial, you will see how to get the this uploaded image path. Okay, so that you can use this as a path. You can import this WEBM file to play. Okay, so let's see how to get the path. To get the path in Moodle, the file uploaded through the file manager you need to have the context. Okay, so you can see this context we are already using at the time of uploading email. Then there is a id you have 71. Okay, so here 71 will appear. Okay, let's see this and refresh. Okay, so on the basis of this we are writing a query to get the record from mdl files table. Okay, so let's make a word wrap here. You already know the component through which you have uploaded. So what was component was ram component. The file area you have used was the ram file area. Okay, so on the basis of this only you are selecting the record. Okay, so let's come to the db table here. So basically you need to know this record. So 71 id here I have passed in the query this item id 71. Component you have ram component, and file area you have ram file area. Okay, component and the file area and the item id, and where file name not equal to this dot. Okay, so these are in condition. Okay, you can see. So if you printer this, you will get all the records related to this. Okay, so how you can make the path in, it's called, you should have your root path, that means the project url, then the plugin file.php slash your context id, your slash your component slash your file area, and slash your this id item id and file name. So if you echo this full path, it will give you the complete url of the file you have uploaded. Okay, so let's see here, refresh. So this is basically the path, yeah, we are getting. I welcome. Let's run here. So you are able to make it. Now let's 72 id, changing the id. In this id also we have used this. So this was basically the banner dot this file. Okay, and we have uploaded multiple files here, and if you pass the id 73, it is giving this url. Okay, this one, and you can also see here the picture you are able to see. So I hope you understand. Sometimes you will not see that this url is working properly. So in this case what you will see, you have, you will see the broken path. So for this you need to make the correction here. Come to this plugin file, and here at the very bottom I have made this condition. Okay, so on the basis of your component you have to make correction here in lib slash file lib.php. Okay, you can also download this code from gitlab. You will see this url in this video description area. Okay, thank you. Hope this will help you to understand how file manager work. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for future video. Okay.